India is a land of flavors. A dish and its name will appear on your screen. Can you guess which Indian state it belongs to? Let's jump in. Pav Bhaji is a signature street food of which Indian state? Pav Bhaji originated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Dhokla is a signature dish of which Indian state? Dhokla is a soft, steamed snack widely enjoyed in Gujarat. Which Indian state is known for the dish, Litti Chokha? Litti Chokha is a traditional rustic dish from Bihar. Dosa originally belongs to which Indian state? Dosa originated in South India, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Dal Bati Churma is the signature dish of which Indian state? Dal Bati Churma represents the rich cuisine of Rajasthan. Which Indian state is known for poha as a signature breakfast? Poha is a light, flattened rice dish popular across Madhya Pradesh. What popular Indian street food means full of spices in Hindi? Drop the answer in the comment. Which Indian state is famous for the sweet dish, Mishti Dohi? Mishti Dohi is a sweetened fermented yogurt from West Bengal. Which Indian state is famous for the dish, chicken biryani? Hyderabadi chicken biryani is a world-famous aromatic rice dish from Telangana. Idli Sambar is widely associated as a signature breakfast of which Indian state? Idli Sambar originates from Tamil Nadu and is loved across India. Which Indian state is known for Pongal as a festive dish? Pongal is a rice dish prepared during Tamil Harvest Festival. Fish curry and rice is a staple signature dish of which coastal Indian state? Goan fish curry is tangy, spicy and reflects Goan coastal cuisine. Vada pav is a signature dish of which Indian state? Vada pav is native to the Indian state of Maharashtra. Which state is famous for dishes cooked with mustard oil and panch foran? Drop your answer in the comment. Which Indian state is known for chole bhature? Chole bhature is a popular Punjabi dish. Which Indian state is known for thepla? Thepla is a spiced flatbread from Gujarat. Which Indian state is famous for the dessert, payasam? It is a sweet pudding made during festivals in Kerala. Ragi mudde or bassaru is a staple food of which Indian state? It is a traditional and nutritious staple meal of Karnataka. Rogan Josh originated in which Indian state? Jammu and Kashmir. Staple food misal pav originated in which Indian state? Misal pav originated in Pune, Maharashtra state. Which Indian sweet was once served to warriors for instant energy? Mention your answer in the comment. Appam is pride of which Indian state? Kerala, an appam is made with fermented rice batter and coconut milk. Signature dish, papaya khar, is of which Indian state? Assam, papaya khar is a unique and tangy curry made from raw papaya, pulses and khar. Momos are most popular as a signature street food of which Indian state? Sikkim. Sarson da saag with makki di roti belongs to which Indian state? A winter delicacy, this dish is iconic in Punjabi cuisine. Khandvi is a popular dish from which Indian state? Khandvi is a soft, rolled snack made from gram flour in Gujarat. Puttu and kadala curry is a signature breakfast of which Indian state? Kerala, also called God's own country. Which Indian dish is also called butter chicken? Comment us your answers. Thakpa, a noodle soup, is the signature dish of which Indian state? Thakpa is a Tibetan origin soup widely eaten in Sikkim. Lal mas, a spicy mutton curry, belongs to which Indian state? Rajasthan, land of kings. Bisi Bele Bath originates from which Indian state? Karnataka, Silicon state of India. Kosher mangsho, a slow-cooked meat curry is from which Indian state? West Bengal, cultural capital of India. Which Indian state is famous for chicken chettinad? Tamil Nadu, land of temples. Hadvo is a savory baked dish from which Indian state? Gujarat. Sattu paratha is a famous dish from which Indian state? Bihar, land of Buddha. Pakhala bhat is a unique fermented rice dish from which Indian state? Odisha. Vindaloo, a spicy curry, is from which Indian state? Goa. Jado, a rice and meat dish, belongs to which Indian state? Meghalaya, Scotland of the East India. Pita is a traditional festive dish from which Indian state? Assam, also called gateway to Northeast India. Thank you for joining us in this food journey. Like, share and stay hungry for more quizzes.